In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swiftly create a stunning website using HostGator's AI website builder right from your browser. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. First things first, we need to log into your HostGator account, and we recommend doing this using Google Chrome for the best compatibility and performance. So go ahead and open up Chrome on your computer, navigate to HostGator's website, and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the HostGator dashboard, which serves as the control center for managing your account and website functionalities. Here, look for the option that says AI Website Builder. It's usually located under the Website Management section. Accessing this tool is crucial, as it's what you'll be using to create your website. Once inside the AI Website Builder, you'll be greeted with a variety of template options. Each template serves as a different design starting point for your website, so take a moment to scroll through and consider which one aligns best with your business or personal vision. This could be based on your industry, the type of information you need to present, or simply what catches your eye. After you've found the template that resonates with you, click on it and proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your business information. This is where you add the critical details, such as your business name, a brief description, contact information, and any other particulars that you wish to include. It's important to provide accurate and thorough information here because the AI will use this to personalize key components of your website. Once that's done, you'll experience the magic of AI, as it generates a custom website design tailored specifically to the data you've entered. It's both fascinating and time-saving, allowing for a personalized touch without the need for extensive design skills. Next, you'll want to add your own tweaks to the AI-generated design to ensure it reflects your vision accurately. Customize the images by uploading your own or selecting from the builder's library. Modify the text to convey your message precisely and adjust the layout to suit your aesthetic preferences. This hands-on step is where you truly make the site your own, so feel free to spend some time experimenting until you're satisfied with the results. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to publish your site. The beautiful thing about HostGator's AI website builder is how seamlessly it integrates with WordPress. With a simple click, you can instantly publish your AI-built website, making it live and accessible